If you've been wanting to give your kitchen a high-end look without spending a fortune, today's video is just for you. I am sharing 3 easy DIY projects that completely transformed my kitchen and added so much character, all on a budget. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start with my countertops because this made the biggest difference in my kitchen and it was so easy to do. I shared this in one of my last videos and you guys really liked it, so I wanted to put it in its own special place here. After you clean your countertops with the solution provided in the packet, you're going to start to want to add the layers of paint. I went in and added sections of a thin layer first, and then I filled in the grout with a paintbrush because it was so much easier that way, and then I added a second layer.
I feel so close to you. But if you really knew, all the lights are out, I'll call you back. Never need to say goodbye. I'll come back later by your door. Is there any place you wanna go? 2 islands and nobody inside. You and me together in the night. But someone else was holding you so close. I go by myself with only memories.
This is one project that definitely takes some patience. You do have to wait a good amount of time between coats and curing, so keep that in mind. But here it is with all of the paint finished, and now I'm going to come in and add my marbling.
You thought I knew. I heard you say it. We're falling like stars. And I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. When were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. I feel so close to you. But if you really knew.
Once you have the marbling exactly the way you want it, you're going to add the countertop seal, and I added 2 coats. You will have to let this cure for about 24 hours before you start adding light items. I would definitely wait 2 days in my opinion, and then for the heavier items you're going to want to wait 7 days for everything to cure. But it turned out beautiful, made a huge difference, and it was completely worth it, and it was way less than spending money on brand new countertops. I changed these bar stools in just a few easy steps, adding a little bit of paint and some new covers. First, I spray painted the legs a white paint. I will have more of the details listed in my description box. And then instead of going out and finding some fabric, I had these pillow covers and they fit perfectly, so I just cut the sides to where I could just slide that cushion on there, and then I screwed it back to the base of these bar stools, and then after that I just sealed the edges up with a little bit of hot glue and then added a beautiful black trim to match with the rest of my decor that I have in here. And this gave this kitchen so much character, and it definitely fit my style perfectly. Now for definitely one of my favorite parts of today's video, I am going to add some peel and stick wallpaper to this basic refrigerator, and I love the way this turned out. You can add any type of peel and stick wallpaper, and I decided to go with something that was slightly neutral with a lot of character. I found this on Amazon. I will have it listed, but it is white and gold and it is beautiful. The pattern fits my style absolutely perfect, and this was so incredibly easy to do. You just make sure that everything aligns perfectly, and it was not hard to do at all, and it was extremely quick. After I had finished this project, I decided that I'm going to add some beautiful brass handles. I didn't show that in today's video, but I will be adding those handles later. But this makes a huge difference, and it just adds such character to your kitchen. So the first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is go ahead and make sure the surface is completely clean. Once the surface is clean and dry, you're going to want to start adding your product. And I wanted to make sure the measurements were correct. You're going to want to make sure that everything is straight, because if it isn't, it will not align properly. I am starting at the very top and then slowly pulling the backing off, smoothing out from the center, working my way out, making sure that I do not have any bubbles. And honestly, this was so incredibly easy to do. Anybody can do it. And just like that, you have updated your kitchen with a few simple steps and very little money. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration, and stay tuned for the next one. I cannot wait to share what I have coming next, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Bye!